Landed that's only 2 years old, almost brand new. 4-story, 1 basement, 5 huge bedrooms, 4510 square feet. Welcome to Parkwood Collection. COP in 2022, we are a 53-unit premium leasehold development, 500 meters from current Purple Line Hougang Station, 300 meters for future Hougang Cross Island Line. So when you buy a landed development, you want space for your children to run around, ride bicycle, scooter, skateboard. Parkwood development, since there's so much space in development, your house is big, your development is big, your children can run around, barbecue, skateboard, whatever you want. Look at all the space here. There's 2 side gates in Parkwood, so you can access the abundance of amenities in Hougang.
For primary schools, we have within 1 kilometer, Holy Innocent Primary School, Montfort Junior School, Xinghua Primary School and Xinmin Primary School. Within 1 to 2 kilometers, we have famous schools such as Roadside School, Paya Lebar Methodist Girls School and CHIJ Our Lady of the Nativity.
Welcome to your new landed home. I got 4510 square feet, 4 stories. I got 5 huge bedrooms, of which 4 is ensuite. Whole house is smart home, meaning all your curtains all your aircons can be controlled by your mobile phone. But let's go and see the huge kitchen we have today. So the thing about landed is you want huge spaces for your family to mingle, talk to each other, have fun, while having a huge proper kitchen. So that food is prepared while all the guests is hanging around, just talking to each other, spending time together. Isn't that beautiful? Common feedback again, hey Ken, kitchen is too small. Hey, come and look at this kitchen. So much rooftop for all your appliances needs. Huge double door fridge, suitable for huge family or multi-generation family. Welcome to the master bedroom of the 2nd floor. You have a king-size bed for illustration, attached study, and full-length wardrobe. Comfortable ensuite bathtub. Along the corridor, we have this skylight. This is a very good design to make the corridor look brighter and use as a yard area for your laundry. The 2nd floor has this Judah master. It has a queen-size bed for illustration, attached bathroom, as well as a wardrobe. Look at the space you get. If you love huge bedrooms, look at this level 3 master bedroom. Can easily fit 3 king-size beds, a wardrobe, and an 85-inch TV. Have a look. Fourth bedroom, still got 5th bedroom leh. Have a look, queen-size bed, study area, ensuite, and a huge wardrobe. Look at the space you're getting. A beautiful landed normally has an open terrace for all your laundry needs. So on the floor plan, this is your family library area. So it's generally used as a study area. Come, let me show you the 5th bedroom. Currently converted to a family karaoke room. If you look outside, it's connected to the open terrace, suitable for hosting, your family gatherings, your day-to-day. This is where you relax and enjoy your time with your family. After COVID, outdoor space is very desirable. Hey, here you come. You see this place, is it suitable for your family to barbecue here? I think can, right? Hey, come in. You're in a car porch, So I'm going to go through with you the basement before I take my Ferrari and jabot already. So a basement, probably use it for storage. Comes with a skylight, your helper's room, and her personal toilet. You have a storage here as well, a bomb shelter. Allow me to show you the car porch. So outside your basement, you got this huge private car park that can fit 2 cars. Rain or shine, no issue. If you're keen to see this house, all you have to do is ask. I'll see you.